Lots of cicadas shedded last night. God, there go another one. I'm gonna put him on the tree. Wow, look at that. Goodness. Yeah, they went all out into the street. I'm gonna put some more in the tree. I'm gonna try to save some of them, put them in the tree. Yeah, this one is still alive. Yeah, still alive. Come on, I got you. There you go. There you go. Still alive? Yep. I got you, man. All right. Let me see. Sorry. Back over. There you go. There you go. Man. Are you okay? There you go. There you go, bud. You go in the tree. Go in the tree. There you go. Sorry. Come on. There you go. And the tree. There we go. Try trying to save a few of you. Go ahead, bud. Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah, we're saving the cicadas, Benton. All right. There we go. Are you alive? Hope I didn't step on you. Yeah. There you go. Yikes. What is that? Did you just lay eggs on my... Did you lay eggs on my hand? What is this? I hope somebody will tell me what that was. I think you just lay eggs on my hand. Wow, whatever that is. I hope he didn't find me. She didn't find me a mate or something and lay eggs on my hand. Something. I don't know what that was. I guess someone will tell me later. Sorry. Oh, you know, I don't even remember which one it is now. I should have looked to see if it was a male or a female. I think I have like about 3 more. And then I guess the rest has to survive on their own. There you go. I think I crushed one. I'm so sorry. Oh wow, there's like a lot more there that I didn't see. Like about 5 or 6 more. All right, there you go. Yeah, Benton, I crushed one, but wow, there's see, 5 more. Okay. There you go, bud. Right there. Oh, I think that's some That's a female right there. Possibly. I don't know what that is. I didn't turn it around. But... okay. There you go. Oh, that one did the same thing too. Yeah, look. Whatever it did. I'm gonna really have to wash these ends in a little bit. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. Go on. Oh, they're going up the tree. You can see them going up the tree. So they're happy now. Okay. All right. There you go. Maybe a female, I think. Oh, come on. Go on. Go on. Oh, don't fall. Up. Oh. Come on. Easy. There you go. All right. And that's the last one I'm gonna do. Right here. There we go. You're the last one, but look, oh, I put like a dozen of them in this tree. There we go. Come on. Go ahead. There we go. Yeah. Because a bunch of them were getting stepped on. Seems like a lot of them hatched out this morning. All right. Ready? Okay. All right. And a couple of them did something on my hand. I don't know what it was, if they laid eggs or what they did. There you go. All right, that's it. That's it for saving the cicadas.